Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with MoneyPet RC. In today's video, we have the perfect budget Scx24 brushless system that we're going to toss in our Project Deadbolt budget build. So we have the new Injora MBL32 Generation 2 brushless motor and ESC combo. So I heard good things about this. I can't really compare it to the first version because I don't have it. I used to. It was great. It was a little bit bigger. The ESC was a little bit bigger than this one. The motor seems the same. I don't know full specs, but if you buy one, it'll be in here. Or I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can look at all the specs and buy one if you want. It's up to you. I'm very excited to get my hands on this thing. We're going to install it. We're going to run it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So here's the MBL G2. A lot less wires than the other one. It does have an XT30 connector, which thankfully they give you a whole bunch of other adapters because I don't really use that on any of my cars, but they give you the adapters, so that's no big issue. Here is the beautiful purple Viper motor. Beautiful purple. What else can you say? Pinion gear already installed, ready to go. And then they also give you a motor mount plate, ready to go. So this install should be a breeze. So this is the Project Deadbolt that we are installing it on. It is a budget build. So this already has a brushed ESC, but we're going to change it out because we want the brushless system. That changes every crawler, and there's no doubt about it. Once you get a brushless system, a good brushless system, it's completely transforms the whole car. It's amazing what it can do. So let's get this stuff installed, and I'll let you know if I have any hiccups. So as I'm installing this, on the ESC itself, it has a BEC voltage. You can change it on the fly. 7.4 volts or 6 volts. That's pretty cool. I do like that a lot. Everything is installed. Super easy to install. Basically mindless work. ESC on the side. Got the motor sitting right in the back. Little tidy wires, you know, the best wiring ever. So we're going to get a battery in this thing and see how it works. One thing, I wish I could just, once I plug the battery in, I wish I could keep it on. But whatever. I do have the BEC to 7.4 volts. Super fast. What is it hitting? Alright, so that noise is just my front drive shaft, so just let it be. Super slow control. Always great control with these motors. Like very smooth throttle control. Very smooth. Just creeping. Relatively quiet. Besides the clicking, that's my drive shaft. I had to fix the drive shaft. I could not deal with it. So, got it done. Super smooth. Awesome. I knew this would be the perfect car to throw it in because the brushless system's only like 50, maybe 60 bucks. That's very cheap. So we're going to take it on a couple crawler tracks and just feel the performance. Budget build on the frame bender. Oh, super smooth. Absolutely sweet. Beautiful performance. Nice save. So this brushless system is the perfect combo for any beginner, or even if you're experienced or have a lot of crawlers and you just want to throw a brushless system in something. For the price point of this thing, it is absolutely amazing. You literally install it and you're ready to go. You know I am a big FuryTech boy, and this is changing my mind. For a fraction of the price and the ease of installation, that was always FuryTech's #1 thing for me, is how easy it was just to assemble and go. But with this Injora setup, it's changing my mind. This thing is super easy to install, super easy to set up, and you just go. And it changes the performance of any truck. No matter what, you put a brushless system in it with the throttle control, game changer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know I enjoy reading through all your feedback. Catch you guys in the next video.